Hi everyone, so today we're making this. Yes. So what you need is 5 brown pipe cleaners, or however many you think you should use, depending on the size you're making, and buttons. I use orange, yellow, and red. But yeah, I have a bag of other colors because reasons. First, take away pipe cleaners and cut them all in half. You just take one and just fold it like that, and then cut it like that. And you do all of them. Just like this. It's not perfect, it doesn't really matter. Just close. Two more. Last one. Then you take them all, and you want to take them kind of in line, and then we'll pick one end. I'm going to pick the cut end, with a little bit of a bend to them, and meet them all up. Like this. Like, so they're all like matched up and are even. Or close at least. Because this end will be the top, and if they aren't even, it doesn't really matter. You want to try to get this end more even if you can. When you have them all lined up, you kind of just smush them together so they're one big bunch. And then you figure out, you go a little bit up, and you just twist it so that they all stay together. But don't twist all the way up, because it's easier to twist more than to untwist it. And then you take the bottom, and you'll just make sure you haven't twisted it enough, and then you just go like this. And you just pull these down, so they kind of fan out in a circle. Just like this. Sort of like smush them around so that like they're fairly even around, and there's not like 4 on one side and like none on the other, because you want it to be kind of even, sort of. I don't want this one to go this way. And then they look like that, and then you can take the ends and go on all the ends and bend them over so they're not like pointing or stab you. And that's just, you don't have to, but I just feel better when I do, because I know they're not going to stab me then. Even though I almost get stabbed doing this part, but yeah. And then just fold them all over just a little tiny bit, so it doesn't get a whole lot shorter. It's a little annoying and a little painful, but it saves me pain later. And if some are like super longer than others, you can fold it over a little bit more than the others. Try to make them a little more even if you want, or not, depending on what you feel like they should be, how long they should be. And then if you want, you can go and test if this will stand up on its own, which mine sort of seems well. And you can also adjust it a little bit as you go, and like at the end, if it doesn't stand, you can just adjust how they're sitting and stuff. Yeah. And then you go and you just take this and you twist it a little more, and make it sort of match the other one. I think that's good. Then you take these and you just sort of pull them out and figure out sort of where you want them to go. Not like perfect, but like sort of. Then you can always adjust them after you get them all pulled apart and stuff. I think I like that, how that looks. So yeah. Then you take your buttons, which with 3 colors, one of them is going to end up, there's going to be 4 of one color, and then the other 2 colors will be 3. That's just how it works out, but yeah. I'm going to start with the yellow one. I'm going to go on this one right here, and just stick it right through one of the holes. I want it to be down that far, so now I'm going to take this, and I'm going to bend this right where the button is, and give it 2 little twists, so that it stays on, like that. There's one done. Next I'll take orange, which are smaller than yellow. I'm going to put it up on this one. I'm going to put it like there. Like that. There's 2 attached. Now I'm going to do red, because, I don't know. I want it about there. So I'll take this and I'll just fold it like that. So sort of a little bit so I can sort of twist it. Like that. And then I'll do the yellow. that I'm going to do over on this one. I try to spread each of the colors around a little bit so they're not like all four yellow and all yellows and they're all orange and all red. Like that. And then orange. I'll go over here by this first yellow one. Twist it. And I'll do another red. And I'll put that over here. And then I'll do another orange. I'm going to do it over between these two. Because try to spread the color out and stuff. Like that. And I'm going to do another red. So I got 3 orange. This will be third red. Then I can do a third yellow, and then I got to figure out what I'm going to do 4 of. Because it's what the number I have. So that works. So I do a yellow. Put my yellow over here between these 2 reds. So I think I'm going to do yellow as the last one again, like I did on the other one. The other one has 4 yellow, it's now 4 yellow too. Just because it's what I think work best. So yeah, pretty simple. And then if you want, like, see how this one, they're a little more like realistic looking. Like you take it and you just bend them down and bend them up a little. So they're not quite so perfectly straight and everything. Just kind of smush them a little. Just smush a little like that. Just go around and do all of them. Because yeah, this looks a little better than the perfectly straight ones. So yeah. If you like pipe cleaner and button crafts, give us a thumbs up, comment down below any ideas you have, and subscribe. Bye!